Good morning students, welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 10th. Today we are doing part B, unit 3rd, DVMS, 4th part. Create table using datasheet view. How can we create a table using a datasheet view? Click on the create tab and there will be a table group and click on the table. Here you can see this is a create view. Then create tab, click on the table. Here you can see a table will be open. It has two fields, ID and click to add. This is the column header. When you will click on the field, you can also change this ID field also. Double click on the field as it has written student name. You can also change the name and you can add so many fields as you want. And click on the save button. In the quick access toolbar, here this is a save button. When you click on save as option will open. Table name, here you can give by default the table name is table 1. Here you can see table 1. Now it has written student detail. Now the table name will change to student detail. Click on the OK button. Second method is click table using design view. Click on the create tab and from the tables group, click on the table design option. A blank table structure will open like this. This is the design view. The previous one was data sheet view. Here has two fields, field name and data type. Data type are the type that in that particular field which type of data you are going to fill. Like roll number, it has written auto number. It will generate sequential auto number series. Then student name, obviously it will be a text. Class, it will be a number. Here you can see this is the field grid area and this is the field property area. Now it has clicked on the number and these are the properties of this number. Assigning primary key. We already know that primary key is the unique key which uniquely identifies the record in a table. How we can in front of the key there will be a symbol like key will be added. We can add or delete the primary key and we can put in primary key in every field also, in any key field. How to assign a primary key? Select the field name in the design view and you can use the primary key field. Here you can see in front of the roll number there is a icon of the key. By right clicking on it there will be a delete primary key. You can delete it and you can also make the class primary key and student name also a primary key. But always remember that primary key is the key which is uniquely identify the record in a table. That is admission number or roll number because these are the uniquely identifying the record. Entering data in a table. Now we had created a table and how to enter the data in a table. Once the table structure is defined, we can store data in the table. You can enter data in the datasheet view. Click on the view option from the view group of the home tab and select datasheet view. Look, we have clicked on the view and there is a data sheet view. This is the data sheet view and double click on the table name, navigation name. This is the data sheet view. Enter the field values while using tab key. This is the student detail and table 2 option. Roll number 1, we are now putting the tables, data in the table. Recap, tables are the fundamental data building blocks of the database. There are mainly two ways to create a table, data sheet view and design view. Once the table structure is defined, we can store data in it. Thank you.